Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Google AdSense and make sure to make an account. So once you're approved, you'll receive a code to place on your website. Now again, log into your AdSense account. Now on the left hand side you'll see an ads option. Click on it, then click on buy ad unit or add units. Now copy the generated ad code given to you. Now go to Wix and sign into your account, and then select the website where you want to add AdSense and click on edit site. And once you're in the Wix editor, click on the plus icon on the left hand menu, scroll down to embedded code and select embed HTML. Now drag and drop the HTML box where you want the ads to appear on your page. Now click enter code and paste the AdSense code you copied earlier, and then click apply to save your changes. Then click publish to make sure that the change is live on your website. It may take some time for ads to start appearing on your Wix website as Google needs to review and verify the setup. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.